How to fix Zoom no audio problem. So if you're facing the Zoom no audio problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Zoom. Make sure you're actually inside your Zoom meeting. Join your meeting ID link and wait until you're in the meeting room. Once you're in the meeting room, you'll get the audio option. Make sure that you've turned on the audio or select the audio, and then make sure that you've selected computer audio and microphone or speakers option is turned on. And once you see the microphone option, you need to just simply go and turn on the microphone. Make sure that it's not muted. If not, select join with computer to connect your sound to your computer or device. Once done, you need to go with the more, which will be on the bottom, and then you will find the settings option. Click on settings. From the settings, you need to go with the audio section, which will be on the top right. And you'll get this kind of interface. Go with the drop down. Make sure that you've selected speakers, and then make sure that your output volume is also turned on. And here under the drop down, you need to make sure that you've selected microphone, or you can also switch between the options until you hear the right one. And also use the test button inside Zoom to play a sample sound and confirm that you've got the correct device selected. Check your device's volume, turn up the volume from your control panel. Make sure that you're not muted at the system level, and verify that any physical mute switches on your keyboard or headsets aren't engaged, because Zoom uses your device's audio. And also make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. So that's how you can fix your Zoom no audio problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.